Hello guys, you are watching Models Wiki-Bio. Let us begin to know about Sara Chacon. Sara Chacon is an American curvy plus size model, fashion model, entrepreneur, content creator, influencer, Instagram star, owner of the Latitude Zero Enterprises. Sarah Lynn Chacon was born in Rockland, Maine, United States. She was born and raised in the United States. She is currently living in her hometown, Rockland, Maine. Sarah Lynn hold on 5 feet 5 inches tall. She weighs 70 kilogram. Bust size is 36 inches. Waist size 30 inches. Hip size 47 inches. Body type BBW. She has a beautiful brown hair and green eyes color. Marital status unknown. Nationality American. The big beautiful model started her modeling career in 2019 and also joined Instagram the same year. She has been a hung inspiration for a lot of curvy women in her city. In Instagram, Sara Chacon has garnered more than 341k followers to her official Instagram account where she encourages everyone to love and accept their bodies. Sara has partnered with numerous clothing brands like Shine Pretty Little Things, Fashion Nova, Curve, and several others. Sara Chacon net worth as of now in 2023 is estimated more than 500k USD. Sources of her earning or modeling brand promotion. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.